Welcome to this new video tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to set up your profile, theme, and language in the Access Pro mobile app so you can personalize your account and tailor the app to your preferences. Go to the home page of the mobile app and tap the menu button. Then enter the Profile section. Inside Profile, select Edit Profile, where you can add or update your personal details, such as your name and contact information.
From the same menu, go to the Settings section. There, you'll find several configuration options. You can change the language, for example, from English to Spanish, based on your preference. You can also choose the app's theme, light, dark, or system, so the app automatically matches your device's display mode. Once you select your preferences, the app will update immediately.
And with that, you now know how to set up your profile, change the language, and adjust the theme in the Access Pro mobile app. Personalizing your account allows you to work more comfortably and tailor the app to your preferences. See you in the next tutorial.